Here is a simple kitchen with 14 cabinets. We can select them all and open up the CabMaker web dialog and go into projects, and we can do a wholesale change. In this case, I'm just going to change the materials and go OK. Now at this point, 14 cabinets now have been completely changed over into cherry. And if you want, you have the Control Z undo, and you can put it right back to where it was. So no big deal there. Now once you've saved the project with a name, now you can also run the reports, and this directly launches CutMaster. And what it does is it allows you to import all the parts, and then you can go optimize them all in a batch. Okay, so we've got all the different parts are done, and all the drilling and all the grooving is done, ready, and all these parts now can be sent over to your CNC machine or your CAM software by using the DXF export. Now there's two ways to export. You can export them as a nested group, just like you see with all these little thumbnails, or you can export every part as a separate DXF file. Now just watch this. I'm going to export every part, and I'm not speeding this up. This is in real time. So I'm just, when I hit this, click this button, I'm just going to click it, and then it's going to instantly produce a lot of DXF files. Okay, 318 files. That quick, like in a fraction of a second. Okay, now those files, any one of them, can be brought back into the system for checking the validity of all of the information by using the DXF import. So here's your project, and here's all of the parts. Now you can do this two different ways as well. You can have each cabinet's part stored in its separate folder, or you can just look at all of these and have them by number. So essentially each cabinet here, is numbered. So we have this here happens to be cabinet number 1. Okay, so let's bring in some parts for cabinet number 1. So these first parts right here are all cabinet number 1. So we'll bring in a left side, and here it is. Now all the DXF information is there. So all the drilling. So this is 32 millimeters. This is 37. Here's your 5 millimeter shelf supports. Here's for connectors, and all of the grooving. It will show you whether it's clockwise or counterclockwise. Now these center little construction points I've put in here are simply to speed you up in doing your due diligence and making sure that you're happy with all of the various bits. Okay, now in addition to that, if you had to, you can also turn around and edit a part. Okay, you can go in here and you can create a circle and move it as a cutout. Okay, and then turn this into a group. Okay, and that quick, that will be on 0, 0. That quick, you have a circle. Now, there, if you want to route the circle, often you want to have that set up as an arc as opposed to a circle, but it depends what your CAM software is capable of doing. And at this moment here, you just turn around and export export the part back in, and away you go. Okay, that's the part, and these are all the different little bits. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.